backward. Move backward. Turn back. Turn back. Okay. Move forward. Move forward. Turn back. Okay.
Hello, everyone. Today, I'm going to show you a fun and active classroom game called Jump, Back, Turn. This game helps students practice listening, concentration, and quick reactions while having fun. How to play. Step 1. Make a circle. First, ask all the students to stand in a circle. Each student puts both hands on the shoulders of the student in front of them. Step 2. Give the commands. The teacher gives 3 commands. Move forward. Students jump 1 step forward. Move backward. Students jump 1 step backwards. Turn around. Students turn around and face the opposite direction. Step 3. Start the game. The teacher calls out the commands in a random order. For example, move forward, move backward, forward, turn around, backward. Students must listen carefully and do the correct action. Step 4. Eliminate players. If a student does the wrong action when the teacher gives a command, that student is out of the game. The remaining students continue playing. The teacher can make the commands faster to make the game more challenging and exciting. Trophy. The last student remaining is the winner.
When I say hello. When I say move forward, you need to jump. You need to go ahead. When I say move backward, you need to jump back. When I say turn back, you need to turn your face back. Everyone? Yes. Can you say yes, I am? Are you ready? Yes, one more time. Are you ready? Yes, I am. Okay, move forward. Move forward. Move forward. Move forward. Move backward. Move forward. Move forward. Move backward. Turn around. No. Oh, sorry, turn back, sorry, turn. Okay. Move forward. Move forward. Move forward. Move forward. Move backward. Move backward. Move backward. Turn back. Turn back. Okay. Move forward. Move forward. Turn back. Okay.